Underestimating the cost of repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fixer-uppers is underestimating the cost of repairs. The excitement of getting a deal can sometimes blind you to the true scope of work required. That slightly outdated kitchen? It might need a full gut job. Those minor cracks in the walls could indicate serious foundation issues. Even if the property looks like a steal, the expenses can quickly pile up once you start opening walls and fixing hidden problems. It's essential to get a professional inspection before making an offer. Inspectors can uncover issues that aren't immediately visible, like plumbing leaks, electrical faults, or structural damage. Armed with this information, you can make a realistic estimate of the costs involved and decide if the property is worth pursuing. A rule of thumb is to add at least 20 to 30% to your renovation budget to cover unexpected surprises. Another factor to consider is whether you have the skills or time to do some of the work yourself. DIYing can save money, but it's not always feasible or advisable, especially for complex tasks like rewiring or plumbing. Hiring contractors adds to the expense, so be sure to factor labor costs into your budget. Lastly, think about the cost of permits and regulations. Renovations often require approvals from local authorities, and fees can vary widely depending on your location. Failing to account for these expenses can leave you with a project that's over budget before you even start.